Hi, today we are discussing the topic Algebra, 4th class IIT Maths Algebra. First, we we will discuss these points. What are the given points? Add 5 to 7. Add 5 to 7. Here it is clear that we need to do addition of 5 and 7. Here the numbers are clear. What the numbers? 5 and 7. So what we do? Add 5 to 7 means we do clearly 5 plus 7. We do 5 plus 7. The second one, what is that? Subtract 9 from 15. It is clearly mentioned subtract means subtraction 9 from 15. So we have to subtract 9 from 15. So 15 minus 9 and do product of 6 and 8. So it's clear that product means multiplication of what are the two numbers, which numbers we have to do we have to do multiplication. Those are 6 and 8. So we can do 6 into 8. And the last one, 6 divided by 3. It is also clear that we have to divide 6 by 3. So we clearly do 6 divided by 3. So here the operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, it is clear, and between two numbers also clear, 5 and 7, 9 and 15, 6 and 8, 6 and 3. Two numbers are known, the what we have to do, that is also clear. Okay, now we do another thing. In the first set, it is clear that addition between 5 and 7, subtraction between 9 and 15, multiplication between 6 and 8, and division between 6 and 3. Now I wrote few sentences here. What are those? Add a number to 7. It is given that add a number. What is that number? It is not clearly mentioned. A number. Here add 5. It is here the number is clear 5. But here a number, some number. That number we don't know. That is called unknown number. Unknown number. To 7. It is to be clear that if anything is unknown, we take those unknowns with some letters. Those are called variables. Those are generally we take with the alphabets A, B, C or any X, Y, Z, like that. Any of the alphabet we take for the unknown numbers. For the unknown numbers we take some alphabets. What we have to do here, we have one unknown number. So I take this unknown number as A. I take this unknown number as A. So now the sentence is like that. Add A to 7. Add A to 7. So add 5 to 7 means what we did? 5 plus 7. Like the same way, add A to 7 means A plus 7. A plus 7. Now the second one. Subtract some chocolates from 8 chocolates. Here how many chocolates we need to subtract? Some chocolates. Some. That is we don't know the number of chocolates to subtract. So here the number of chocolates is unknown. If something is unknown value, we have to take some alphabets as a way in the place of unknown numbers. So here I am taking P. P chocolates. For some number I am taking subtract P chocolates from 8 chocolates. Subtract P chocolates from 8 chocolates. In the same way, subtract 9 from 15 means what we did? 15 minus 9. In the same way, subtract P chocolates from 8 chocolates means 8 minus P. 8 minus P. The third one, product of two numbers. Till these two sentences, we know we faced only one unknown number. A number, some chocolates. These are the only one value we don't know. But here, what they mentioned, two numbers. What are those numbers? We don't know. Here it is clear. Product of 6 and 8. But here, product of two numbers. What are those numbers? We don't know. So, how many numbers we don't know now? Two numbers we don't know. So, we have to take two alphabets as in the place of those two numbers. I am taking P and Q as those two numbers. So, product of P and Q. Product of P and Q. How we can write? Product of 6 and 8, we wrote 6 into 8. In the same way, product of P and Q will be written as P into Q. Now the last one, divide one number by another number. One number, some number, we don't know that number, by another number. This is also we don't know. So it is one unknown number. This is also one unknown number. So what we are doing? Division. 6 divided by 3 means we clearly did 6 divided by 3. Here one unknown number by another unknown number. Here I am taking first unknown number as x and the second unknown number as y. So we did divide x by y. So x divided by y. Now we move a step forward. What? Now the sentences like this. Sentences are, if we add a number to 5, the result is 16. Before said what we did? Till this place only we did. What? Add a number to 5. This we know. Add a number to 5 means we have to take this a number means is it some unknown number. So we just take this some and we take some alphabet instead of this one. I am taking x. So here if we just close it, what is it is? Add x to 5. So add x to 5 means x plus 5. If we add, the result is 16. That is x plus 5. If we add x and 5, that is equals to 16. That is equals to 16. So the complete meaning of this sentence is x plus 5 equals to 16. If we add x to 5, the result is 16 means x plus 5 equals to 16. Now the second sentence. If Raju took 2 papers from his bundle of papers, the remaining papers are 26. Here, what they said? Raju took 2 papers. It is clear. 2. From his bundle of papers. They said bundle of papers. They did not mention how many papers Raju has in original. So, they said simply bundle of papers. So, this is some unknown value. So, now I am taking this bundle of papers as an unknown number, and I am mentioning alphabet for this bundle of papers as B, a variable. This type of for unknown number taking this alphabets is called, these alphabets are called variables. So for the bundle of papers I am taking the variable as B. So now if we read the sentence in place of, if Raju took 2 papers from his B papers, B's number of papers, the remaining papers are 26. 2 from took means he is removing. He is removing means subtraction. So from which we need to do subtraction? 2 from B. 2 from B. So B minus 2. The remaining papers are 26. After taking 2 papers, now the total papers became 26. So after this action, the papers became, number of papers became 26. So B minus 2 equals to 26. Now the third sentence, thrice a set of plates are equals to 90. Here thrice means 3 times. Thrice means 3 times. A set of plates. A set of plates. Here they did not mention how many plates. What is the number of plates? Just said a set of plates. So this is an unknown value. So for this unknown value, I am taking some alphabet variable that I am taking as yes. We can take any variable. I am taking yes. So say S of plates. 3 times S of plates are equals to 90. Here any time, first point I am saying, here I want to say one thing. Twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. For the remaining things, 4 times, 5 times, like that. But one thing we need to be clear about this one. If anywhere number of times comes, we have to do multiplication. Multiplication. If here it is given that 3 times, and that means 3 into a set of plates. Here a set, we took the number as a variable. For this number we took the variable s. 3 into s equals to 90. Equals to 90. This is the one we have to do. And the last one, half of a bread is 35 rupees. Here the bread value they did not mention. Half of the bread price. Half of the bread price. I'm sorry, I missed it. Half of a bread price is 35 rupees. Here they did not mention what is the price of the bread. Just said bread price. So this is unknown value. So we are taking some variable. We have to take some variable for that. I am taking some p. Some p. So half of a p means p by 2. Half means p by 2. Is. Anytime is means is equals to. Is equals to. Is means is equals to. So p by 2 is equals to, what is the value? 35. This is how to write as equation. These are called equations. Algebraic equations. X plus 5 equals to 16. b minus 2 equals to 26, 3 into s equals to 90, and p by 2 equals to 35. These are called equations. How we have to write equations from a sentence means this is the way we have to follow. So till here we came to know how to write the equations. Now we move one step forward. How to find the value of these variables. Here these are unknown values. Now we have to find out the values to those. How to find out that we will see. First we take the same equations and we do the calculations. How to do? I will show. First one, x plus 5. X plus 5 equals to 16. X plus 5 equals to 16. What we do? For anything, if the equation is coming, if the equation is like that, first we have to write we should know the thing is that we need to focus on the equals to. This is the center point. Equals to is the center point for any equation. For the equals to, this left side part is called left hand side, LHS. Left hand side, LHS. And the right side part of the equals to is called RHS, right hand side. This is the left hand side equals to right hand side. Left hand side equals to right hand side. So, as the equals to symbol says, both side values are equal. So, we have to keep that same thing properly. For that, what we have to do? Our goal is to find out the value of x. First, we write down the x as it is, and x plus 5, give some space here, and right side value 16. As this is equals to the left side, what we do? The same thing we have to do right side. To get the value of x, we make this left part completely with the x only. That is, here left side, other than x plus 5 is also there. Other than x plus 5 is there. So we have to clear this 5 plus 5, then left side becomes only x. To clear this 5, what we have to do? First, we have to identify the symbol before the number. What is the symbol here? Plus. So there is some rule, we have to follow few rules. If plus is there, we have to write minus. If minus is there, plus. For into, division. For division, into. This is the rule we have to follow. So, for plus, what we have to write? Minus. Here, left side, we added minus symbol. So, right side also, we have to add minus. After plus, whatever the value will be there, the same thing we have to write. Here, 5 is there. So, we have to write 5. As left side, I added 5. Right side also, I have to add 5. And one more thing we should know. If the value with the different signs are there, those will be cancelled. So, plus 5 minus 5 will be cancelled. Plus 5 minus 5 will be cancelled. Now, we write the equation. What is remaining? First, we write x. First, we write x. After x, plus 5 minus 5 cleared. So, after x, what is there? Equals to, and what is there next after equals to? 16 minus 5. So we do the calculation. 16 minus 5. What is the value? Say 1, 1. So for this addition type of equations, we do one more example. Now what we do? I do p plus 9. P plus 9 equals to 31. P plus 9 equals to 31. So now we have to find out the value of p. How to do? First we have to write down equal. Everything we have to focus. Every time we have to focus on this equals to. Equals to, left side and right side should be equal. Same. Whatever the value in the beginning they have given, that should not be changed. So first p plus 9, 31. Left side, right side, whatever they have given, that we are writing. Now if we add anything left side, the same thing we have to add right side. To get the value of p, there is one thing extra here left side. Other than p, 9 is there. Which type of 9? Plus 9. If plus 9 is removed, left side only p will be there, then we can get the value of p. So to remove this plus 9, what we have to do? This formula we have to follow. First we have to check the symbol. The symbol is plus. So as plus is there, for plus what we have to write? Minus. And the second step, as we added minus left side, right side also we have to add minus symbol. And the third step, number. Whatever the number here after plus, the same number we have to write here. So left side what we have added now? 9. So right side also 9. Now we check it. What? Here observe. This is plus 9, this is minus 9. If the same number with different symbols, those two will be cancelled. So now we write the equation clearly. How to write? First, from the beginning we follow. First p is there. After p, plus 9 minus 9 removed. So after that equals to 31 minus 9. 31 minus 9. So we do 31 minus 9. So what is the 31 minus 9? 2. So 31 minus 9 equals to 22. So the value, therefore p equals to 22. This is the process we need to follow if the variable is with a plus value. Now we do second type, that is minus. In our statements we found that we found the equation like b minus 2 equals to 26. So from this we find out the value of b. What is the number of papers in the bundle? Okay, that we do. What is the equation? b minus 2 equals to 26. So I write down the equation. B minus 2 equals to 26. Here the same process we follow. The symbol is different. Just the symbol is different. So what is the process we are following? We need to focus on the equal symbol, and equal right side is called right hand side. Equal left side is called left hand side. Both should be the same. The value should not be changed. So whatever we do left hand side, the same thing we have to do on the right hand side. So first we write b minus 2. Just give some space for the other things. Equals to 26. First we are writing the same what on the top. Now what is our formula? Here we need to follow From here we need to find out the value of b. So to get the value of b, left hand side we have to make this left hand side completely should be occupied with only b. Here b, along b minus 2 is there. We have to do some process and we have to clear this minus 2. To clear this minus 2, what we have to do? First, as minus is there, what we said, if minus is there we have to write plus. So first I am writing plus. And what is the formula, means rule we told, means we discussed, for whatever we write on the left hand side, the same we have to write on the right hand side. Here left hand side I added plus, so I am adding plus here also. And now after symbol, whatever the value is there, the same value we have to write. So plus, here the 2 is there, so 2. In the same way, as 2 is added left hand side, right hand side also 2. We add 2. Now observe, this is minus 2, this is plus 2. If the number with two different symbols, those two will be cancelled. So finally the equation we write clearly. So when we rewrite the equation clearly, we have to start from starting to end. So first in the starting, what is there? B. After b, minus 2 plus 2 cleared. After these 2, what is there? Equals to. After equals to, what is there? 26 plus 2. So we have to do addition. 26 plus 2. What is the value? 28. 28. Therefore, b equals to 28. This is the answer. Similarly, we do one more example for subtraction also. What we do? What we take? T minus 13 equals to 41. Just we are taking some equation. T minus 13 equals to 41. So, now what is our main intention here? We have to find out the value of t. So to find the value of t, first we have to clear this left hand side, whatever the extra is there other than t. So what is the extra here? Minus 13. If we clear this minus 13, left hand side only t will be there. To clear this minus 13, what we do? For this, we first do in this proper way. First we write whatever the equation is there, and then we start to the process to remove minus 13. So if the symbol before number is minus, we have to write plus. As the symbol is minus, we write plus. As left hand side added plus, right hand side also we have to add plus. And the second step, whatever the number is there, the same thing we have to add here. And now I added 13 left hand side, so I have to add 13 right hand side also. Now if we observe, what are here? Minus 13 and plus 13. If the number with two different values, those two different signs, those will be cancelled. Now left hand side only t is there. So we rewrite the equation. So we write equation in the clear way. So first we start from the beginning. First t minus 13 plus 13 cleared. So after that equals to, and the next one is 41 plus 13. So we do just addition. 41, 13 addition, that is 54. Therefore t equals to 54. Now the third sentence, the third equation we got from this third sentence is 3 into s equals to 90. 3 into s equals to 90. From this we need to find out the value of s. We do. So the equation is 3 into s equals to 90. So what is the thing we need to find out? S value. For this, first we need to clear the s is on the left hand side. We need to clear the left hand side, whatever the extra is there. And one more thing, 3 into s can be written as 3 into s can be written as s into 3. This is a formula like this, like a into b equals to b into a. This is a formula. So if we do multiplication, 3 into 4 equals to 4 into 3. Okay. So what now, for our convenient, I am taking 3 into s equals to s into 3. S into 3 equals to 90. S into 3 equals to 90. Now we do our process. First, we write equals to s into 3 and equals to 90. Left hand side, our goal is to clear extras and just keep s. So here what are the what are the formula we are following? If plus is there, minus is there, plus into is there, division is there, into. So here we have into. So if into is there, we need to do division. So as I wrote division symbol left hand side, I am writing division on the right hand side also. After symbol, whatever the number is there, the same number we have to write down. As I wrote 3 on left side, I am writing 3 on the right side. And the rule is that if the number with in two different signs, that is plus minus plus into division, these two are sets. Okay, if the signs are like that, those two will be cancelled. So now we write the equation in the clear way. First we start from here, s. After s, these two are cleared. So after these two, equals to 90 by 3. 90 divided by 3 means 90 by 3. So division we do. 3 3s 9. So we take the 0 as it is extra we added here. 300. So 30. Therefore s equals to 30. Now we do the last statement values. P by 2 equals to 35. P by 2 equals to 35. From this, we have to find out the value of P. So, first we write down equals to P by 2 equals to 35. Here by division. If division is there, what we have to write down? Into symbol. So, as I wrote into on left side, I write into on the right side also. After that, whatever the number is there, the same number we have to write. As left hand side I wrote 2, right sides also I need to write 2. And the combination, if into division for the same number, those two will be cancelled. Now I clearly write the equation P, and these two are removed, equals to 35 into 2. 35 into 2 multiplication if we do, that is 70. Therefore, P equals to 70. This is the answer. Thank you for watching.